If you leave your money in a traditional bank account right now, you are losing money. It sounds harsh, but with inflation doing what it does best, that 0.1% interest rate traditional banks give you isn't even a drop in the bucket. But what if there's a place to park your cash where it can earn up to 8% per year? Safely, securely, and entirely from your phone. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the Tonik Bank time deposit. Tonik has been making massive waves in the digital banking space here in the Philippines, and their latest time deposit rates are turning a lot of heads. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how their tiered time deposit works, specifically their 6%, 7%, and highly talked about 8% interest rates. We'll do the actual math so you know exactly how much cash goes into your pocket. And most importantly, we're going to figure out exactly who this financial tool is for and who should absolutely stay away from it. Grab a notebook, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get into the numbers. Before we throw our hard-earned money at an 8% interest rate, we need to answer the most important question. Is Tonik Bank safe? Tonik is a neobank, meaning it operates entirely online without physical branches. By not having to pay for massive office buildings, electricity, and thousands of tellers, their overhead costs are incredibly low. And instead of keeping those savings as corporate profit, they pass them on to you, the depositor, in the form of sky-high interest rates. But higher interest sometimes triggers our too-good-to-be-true alarms. The good news here is that Tonik is officially regulated by the BSB. Even better, your deposits are insured by the PDC for up to 1 million pesos. So, if you put up to 1 million pesos into Tonik, it is backed by the government. Your risk level here is practically the same as putting it in the biggest traditional banks in the country, but the returns are light years ahead. Now, let's talk about the main event, the time deposit rates. Tonik doesn't just offer a flat rate. They reward you for your patience. They currently offer a tiered system based on how long you are willing to lock away your money. Here is the exact breakdown. Tier 1, 6% interest per annum if you lock your money in for 6 months. Tier 2, 7% interest per annum for a 9-month lock-in. Tier 3, the Holy Grail, 8% interest per annum if you commit to a full 12 months. Let's visualize what this actually means. When you hear 8%, you have to remember 2 things: per annum and withholding tax. In the Philippines, bank interest is subject to a 20% withholding tax. So your gross rate is 8%, but your net rate, what you actually get to spend, is 6.4%. Let's say you max out the PDC insured limit and deposit 1 million pesos for exactly 12 months. At 8% gross, that generates 80,000 pesos in interest. Subtract the 20% tax, and you're left with a cool 64,000 pesos in pure, passive income just for letting your money sit there. That's enough to fund a nice vacation, upgrade your gear, or reinvest to compound your wealth. The beauty of the Tonik app is that you can open up to 5 separate time deposit accounts at the same time. You don't have to put all your eggs in one basket. You could put some money in a 6-month lock-in for a nearer goal, and the rest in the 12-month lock-in to maximize that 8% yield. So, is this the perfect investment? Well, that depends on your strategy. Let's talk about who this 8% time deposit is absolutely perfect for. Number 1, the conservative saver. If you hate the volatility of the stock market or crypto, and the thought of seeing a red portfolio keeps you up at night, this is for you. It's guaranteed, fixed income. You know exactly what you will get on the exact maturity date. Number 2, short to medium-term goal planners. Are you planning to buy a car next year? Saving up for a wedding in 9 months? Or accumulating a down payment for a house? You shouldn't put money you need in the short term into the stock market because it might crash right when you need to withdraw. Parking that cash in a 6, 9, or 12-month Tonik time deposit protects it from market swings while beating inflation. Number 3, the set-it-and-forget-it investor. If you want a zero-maintenance portfolio, time deposits require absolutely zero monitoring. You fund it, lock it, and ignore it until the app notifies you that your payout is ready. On the flip side, Tonik's time deposit is not a magic bullet. Here is who should avoid this. Number 1, people who need high liquidity. A time deposit is exactly what it sounds like. Your money is deposited for a set time. If you suddenly lose your job or have a medical emergency and need to pull that money out before the 6, 9, or 12 months are up, Tonik will charge you a documentary stamp tax and pre-termination penalties. You will likely lose your earned interest. Never put your emergency fund into a time deposit. Keep emergency funds in a highly liquid savings account. Number 2, aggressive wealth builders. If you're in your 20s or early 30s and want to aggressively multiply your wealth, 8% gross, or 6.4% net, is great, but it won't make you wildly rich overnight. It barely outpaces high inflation environments. If you have a high risk tolerance, your capital might be better deployed in index funds, individual stocks, or starting a business where the ROI ceiling is much higher. To wrap it all up, Tonik Bank's 8% time deposit for 12 months is currently one of the strongest, safest fixed income instruments available in the digital banking space today. By offering 6% for half a year, 7% for 9 months, and 8% for a full year, Tonik gives you the flexibility to ladder your investments based on your personal timeline. It is PDC insured, incredibly easy to set up via their app, and a massive upgrade over traditional brick-and-mortar bank rates. Just remember to only lock away money you are 100% sure you won't need to touch until the maturity date. What do you guys think? Are you moving your funds to digital banks, or are you still sticking with traditional ones? Let us know down in the comments below. If you found this breakdown and the illustrations helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.